Camera just cut off, but I can tell the battery is getting weak. So let me go ahead and get this alternator put on. I don't want this car to get too hot on me, and it is hot as I don't know what. It's 100 degrees right now. So let's go ahead and get this car in the garage. Here, Lord, y'all, I got to clean my garage out so that I can put this car in the garage. I got a lot of work to do, but let me get the garage clean so I can have both my cars here at home. I don't want to have one at my neighbor's house all the time. But yeah, man, let's get this alternator on for this car get too warm to work on. All right, so I got the phone on. Hopefully there's no wind noise. I'm trying to block it, but yeah, nothing to see here. Just 307. So of course I'm gonna clean up under here, get it all looking like it's supposed to look in due time. But again, the first concern is right here, to get an alternator on. And again, I was telling you the AC pump belt was off, so I'm at least put it on, try to start diagnosing the AC, figure out what I need and what I need to be ordering. And also I think the air pump is deleted, so he has it plugged up. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. Get this alternator put on. Again, it's 100 degrees. It's the end of June. So I'm gonna hang y'all up on a tripod. We're gonna get to work. All right, y'all. So my videos are not gonna be how-to videos. It's plenty of that for your specific needs. I'm simply documenting my work that I'm doing on my cutlass for me and showing y'all that it's actually me doing the work. And it's probably not gonna be anybody else involved in this. But as you can see, I'm just trying to figure out how these belts are routed. It's a couple of them on here. I'm used to serpentine setups with one belt. But anyway, you can see I get the alternator put on, getting the belts tensioned properly, and then also getting this AC belt on as well. Alright, that took some figuring out, but I think I got everything right. Everything feels tight. So crank the car up, see if it starts charging. Like I got that bolt for the carburetor I'm gonna put on. But let's just see if this works. Alright, so let's see if this thing is gonna crank up, see how bad it squeals. If it squeals, overall, let's just see what's going on. I left the key in the car. Just the key switched on, so hopefully we got enough battery charge. You know, these are old school. Battery did. Sounds good. I got a jump box. Now this car squealed like crazy. And I was going to take it out when I bought it. I'm talking about like crazy. Yeah, I don't hear no noise. I made it for you. See if it shark. Huh? I put armor on the shark because this mama got to take a picture for the shark. Sounds good. Alright, yes, sir. The charger. Oh, yeah. Time to drive this motherfucker. So the belt was off. I put the belt on. So let's see what happens when we turn the AC on. I'm guessing nothing. I don't know. It just engaged. I think that compressor engaged. I feel the car bar down. Oh no, it ain't on. That shit be spinning. So we have to play with that. See what's up. But yeah, I'm gonna take this thing on this maiden voyage. See what's going on. Alright, so I did order this. This is it right here. Comes with 2 little pins. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. Then yeah, I'm gonna take this thing out for its first drive. Everything seems alright up here. Yes, sir. Taking my son on his maiden voyage. Say what's up, Kyle? Sliding. BS tag on the back. You got my insurance. It is already insured. Got my insurance title because I get stopped, but it is what it is. So yeah, we're gonna drive around the neighborhood. Actually, I'm about to go ahead and get on the road. Probably get out on I-77 and just bring it on a quick little loop. Yeah, my wife want to go for a ride in and stuff, so as long as everything is good. Only thing is the battery voltage is low, but I know it's charging at about 13.5ish. So, and then I think I got to switch the tach. I think it's on the V6 setting. I do have another gauge cluster, but I think I'm just gonna have to switch that to the V8 setting. But I wanted somebody to stay home in case somebody need to come get me. But yeah, man, me and my car slaughter. I was just running 70, man. She riding smooth. Everything looking check with this battery voltage and the RPM gauge. But yeah, man, she slotted good. So we get on back to the house, take me a shower, chill out, and then figure out some things I need to mess with.